Welcome. In front of me is a MOTOROLA Moto G15, and today I'll show you how we can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to swipe down from the top of your screen twice, and this will show you a bunch of toggles. Now we are looking for the screen recording toggle, so if it's not visible on the first page, you can swipe to the left and this will show you additional pages, where for me the toggle is located. Once you see it, you can tap on it, and we're going to select Start Recording. Now it asks us what application we want to record. Now hopefully I can just close this and have it record. Let's try it again. Oh, right. So we have single app option right here, which was selected by default. So this is completely up to you. You can either select single app and then choose what app, or entire screen. And then I'm going to select Start Recording. 3-second countdown begins, and then with a notification, which I guess it's muted, you'd hear that it starts recording. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the device. If you open up some kind of applications, those will be recorded as well, as long as these applications don't fall under the apps that use DRM protection, like this garbage right here. If you try to record Netflix, what you'll end up having is a black screen, and there's nothing you can do about it. And it doesn't matter that you don't have an account, that you haven't agreed to privacy or policy, or even install this garbage. It will block it nonetheless. And in those situations, I highly recommend checking out CloudStream that you can find on GitHub, which is a great alternative to garbage like this. It's free, it supports every platform, and it doesn't do crap like this, which I consider to be intrusive. It's your phone. No application should have the control of what you can do or cannot do on it. Now, once you're done recording, pull down your notifications, select Stop, and this will save your screen recording to your Photos application. Now, to find the actual screen recording, navigate to Collections. The text is a little bit too big, so it's cut out, but it's right here. And in here, you'll find an album called Movies. Movies will contain not only screen recordings, but also just video recordings. But anyway, here's the actual screen recording. Now, in a moment, you will see Netflix. There we go. And like I mentioned, this will just be a straight up black screen after this. So there was visible content while I was recording it, as you've seen, but on the screen recording itself there was nothing visible. Anyway, so this basically sums it up. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.